Welcome. Here we are. Okay, so seems like NQ tapped into, slowly went down. Finally, after London session, it took out that 15-minute BC that we were talking about and tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap down there. It seems like now it might want to go higher now that it took liquidity. So get ready to rumble, right? Let's see what's gonna happen now. I suppose it should be edging higher, you know. But for now, that's it. Satoshi, we're back. Yeah, welcome. So market open is less than 2 minutes away. I wonder what's it gonna be, or how's it gonna be. Should be breaking higher, sweeping some liquidity at the open. There's still some part of this fair value gap left open, so I'm guessing it should be going there. Otherwise, that's all. That is all. As for gold, gold is just edging lower, so nothing special to be seen here. Gold is dropping like a rock. So that's it for my theory of going up for that high. So that failed. But nevertheless, 1 minute. And we'll see what the market will hold us for, or hold on to. Oh, the Bulenox sale is back. Let me check it. Haven't checked it, to be honest. Is it really? Whoa, does it? Alright. Okay. Code is updated. Bulenox sale is back. Good to know. Thank you. Okay. Bulenox. 83%. Let's go. Alright. Market's about to open. Kirktown, good morning. Good morning. All right, here we are. Markets are open. Seeing a small decline here. Nothing special. Nothing out of the box so far. Almost like a bearish flag, but not really. Seemingly going down, I think, but not sure. Is it going to go down to the 67 and sweep some lows there or not? Is what I'm curious about. If it's not going to do it, then well, maybe something else. Okay, holding this range for now. Edging higher again. I'm not in a position. It's just, you know. Okay. So far holding this area. Uh-oh. Look at that. Almost took this low at 67. But still not there. Okay, now it took it. Now it took it. All right. I have to update this banner. Okay, just a second. Oh, what was the size? All right, edging lower. Edging lower. Look at gold. Gold is totally down there. NQ spiked some lows. I can imagine it going up there. There are some liquidity levels, but so far it's just sideways. Do we have some news left for today? I think we have everything. We have unemployment claims out. Okay, nothing special. Everything's out. Yeah, everything's out for now. Change this. Still going lower. No signs of turning around here. Okay, looking at YM, nothing. Should have gone long on YM. That was also a very good move. A possible good move. Okay. NQ seemingly turning around. I do like that. Okay, what's everybody doing? What are you guys up to? Anyone is looking for some trades or anything? Anyone is jumping into full porting? Let me know. Oh. Let's see. What is this? Are we gonna go sideways again like in London session? Please, NQ, don't do this. Or at least not now. Maybe sweep some highs and then go lower or whatever. But don't do this right now. Just sideways. I'm not in a trade, not in a position, not even a scalp, nothing. What a move from gold. Just went down like crazy. Should have taken the trade on YM. It was a nice little move to the upside. All right. Anyway. Hey Akram, what's going on? Any trades so far? Don't know what to do with this one right now. No trades. Yeah. I mean, look at this. We're barcoded out again. Just don't know what to do with this. Just barcoded out. Nothing is going on. I don't understand the markets. I really don't. I mean, right now, almost as if nothing is turning out to be good. Gold is staying down there. It's not moving anywhere. I guess we should just, you know, stay put and don't do anything at this point. You know. Oh man, nothing is working out in this. It's just super slow, super barcoded out. You know, gold is gone. Gold is gone. That's nothing to do with gold right now. So gold is, that's it. Should have gone long on YM. Damn it. Sultan, hello. Vipso. My shots from yesterday pay me. Let's go. I think more downside on ES. Back to 6,000 area for real button. Let's see. MB Trader, welcome to the stream. Look at that. Look at. So returning to 6K. I mean, that could be interesting. All the way down. Passion. Yeah. Oh man, under these circumstances, this price action is like so terrible. I mean, you know, worst case scenario, I would say let's go to gold, do something, but it's gone. You know, the move is done. And, you know, we can look at the 1 hour. Possible 1 hour. Buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. All right, let's just put it there. Not that it matters too much, but you know, maybe. Other than that, I don't see anything. NQ, like a piece of trash. So nothing to do with it. Perfect example, you know, when not to trade. But anyway, Bulenox is back to 83%. That's all that matters. What a slow month. I mean, not the slow month, but it's definitely not the fastest one for now. And what to do here? It's going down a bit, not too much. Reza! NQ is sleeping, yeah. Good to see you on the stream, man. Honestly, guys, I don't know. I mean, these days, I don't know what's up. Maybe it's the holidays. I'm just so bored, you know, watching these charts. I like to, you know, push the button, but I just can't. So I don't know how about you, Reza, but these markets in the past, especially 2 weeks as we fall into December, it's like, you know, when the 4-hour time frame close for you, H4 time frame close for you. I mean, the 4-hour time frame is gonna close in 9 minutes. I don't really watch the 4-hour, but this one's gonna close in less than 9 minutes, 8 minutes 50 seconds. So, welcome, by the way, Royce. How you guys are doing? Any trades so far? This is the perfect example when not to push the button. So I got so tired today since London was in the trade working new challenge. Oh, I see. Well, not ideal conditions. I mean, look at London. We were talking about this 15-minute gap, but look at that. Right after a kill zone, boom, finally took it. But you know, this was pure pain. And I have a feeling that, you know, the New York session might gonna do the same. And what I realized is that maybe, I mean, it's seemingly after the AM session ends, you know, the volume is shifting to the lunch hour or the PM session. You know, just check it. Just check the past 2 or 3 weeks if you can. I'm seeing more volume and liquidity during the lunch hour and the PM session than in the AM session New York. Ludafish, hey there. 3 single scalps, 4-6 points each, just as trades. Oh yeah. See what PA feels like. Good to see you, Ludafish. Yeah, I mean, in this mess, if I go down to the 1 minute, oh my god, look at the 1 minute. Oh my god, terrible. Terrible. 5 minutes the same. 15? Oh my god. Yeah, it's just not. It's the ultimate real chop, Reza. The ultimate real chop. No question about it. No question about this. Oh. I wish I could tell otherwise, but and if you think the 1 minute looks ugly, take a look at the what 89 the tick chart. I don't even wanna. Is that a tick chart or 89 T? I guess not the minute chart. 89 ticks. Okay, yeah. 89 tick chart. I guess it could be ugly, right? You know what? Just for the fun, because nothing is happening, let's look at the 89 tick chart. Tick? Tick chart. Yeah. Tick. Okay. Candle. How do I do that? There has to be. So tick chart, range. Tick count, 89. It's actually not that bad. This is the 89 tick chart. I mean, it doesn't look that bad, is it? In my quant hour, H4 will close in 1 hour. That could be. Let me check it. Yeah, 1 hour, 5 minute here as well. Depends on how it has been set up on a quant tower, because I think you can change the time zones. I'm not even sure which time zone I'm in, because I'm always looking at TradingView. So yeah. 5 days, 5 minutes. Okay, back to the 5 minute chart. Looks terrible. This one looks terrible. Real chop, everyone. The real chop. Anyway, gold, nothing. Guys, believe it or not, I wanted to go long. I was almost pushing the buy button here on YM after the open, after retracing back into this gap. I never trade YM, but anyway. Use sticks in combination with time bars to get an effect looking inside bars in the same manner that a doc would look at X-ray as well as MRI. That's actually a good observation there. That's how you do it if you're a precise day trader. But a good idea. I like it. It's actually a good idea. What the heck is going on here? I'm looking at other markets too right now. I'm checking on YM, what could be happening here. On the 1 hour chart, it's pretty much like in a downtrend. But seemingly it might want to shift higher. I don't know, it's now doing a pullback. So, you know, just nothing. Oh my god, this is actually what I'm gonna do. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I look at it. It's not even moving. Nothing is moving. I want to listen to some music, but you guys don't want to listen to some music, so I'm gonna listen it without you. I know there is a good. Which one's that? The Grand Sound. I like that. Live. Okay. I think it's London session still. Yeah, something happened, Reza. I mean, I think some time continuum issue. You know, everything is blended together. We seem to be respecting the 50% of the first present to fair value gap on. Yeah, oh yeah. When was that? I mean, that one is not 31. This one, this small one. Yeah. T-Bond, what's up? Why don't you start a free Discord? I'm thinking about it. I'm actually thinking about it. I might going to ask for some help to moderate because I just don't know how to manage that kind of community. Because obviously, if I do a free Discord, bots are bots. Come on, can't say. Bots are going to be coming in. Trolls are going to be coming in. Obviously, some negative or toxic people are going to slip into the Discord, and I just don't have the time and the energy to keep everything in order. So I know I could be scooping people into a free Discord. It could be happening, but I just don't think I would be able to moderate all that. So I might gonna be have to be looking for some mods or something. I don't know. Yeah, there is a gap right there. But actually not a bad idea. So I'm thinking about it. Dun. 690, 700 range fair value gap. Oh, 690 and 700. There was one. I mean, if I zoom it out, there is one fair value gap here at the open. Swept a couple of times, but yeah, seam doesn't mean, yeah. Whoa, look at that. Finally, something is happening. That's on 8:30. Okay. Yeah. No problem. No problem. I know. I was suspecting that I think you might be looking at the 8:30 candle right there. Yes. Right there. But so far this is holding. Okay, crude is not doing anything. No matter how I look at this, it's just not doing anything. Nothing. Zero movement. Oh man. Oh, it's just not doing anything. Nothing at all. Totally stuck here. I have a feeling that maybe NQ is going to turn around and, you know, we have this new candle high up there. I'll be looking at that level, 735, as possible buy side liquidity. Haven't paid, so let me just focus on my own account. Oh, almost done, and that's it. So I have my last ever prop account, so it's 100% algo trading. Let's go. I think everybody received the email from ProfiTrade. So I don't know what was the hiccup, but hopefully they will get back on track this week or by next week, as they said. Small range day today. Options melting both sides. Overnight gap direction looks like. Interesting. Okay. Let's see. I joined your Discord. I wouldn't even. Yeah, Uncle Barbarian. I'd even be trustworthy enough to be a mod. Ludafish, I know you're OG, so and definitely a lot of people I would like to get by if we do the free Discord. Technically, it's already existing, and there's a guy who made it, but it's just not launched yet. So, but it's already done. But this guy told me it's a Hungarian friend of mine. He doesn't have the time to be a moderator, but there's gonna be some small adjustment, and we will do something about the Discord. It would be awesome to share some ideas, you know, share some wisdom. Between everyone. Alright, seemingly NQ is still willing to go lower. I'm wondering if gold wants to follow or not. Because gold is edging lower as well, but for how long? Is it gonna go for that sell side at, I think it wants to. Not really sure. So 2.4. I took a short on gold. So I'm short on gold, but I'm just actually looking for let me show you. Looking for the 2700 as a nice round number in futures, and then maybe a sweep lower, but that's all. Let me show you guys. The guy first introduced me to ICT was a Bulgarian, Pavel. Did most of our chatting through Discord. Oh, that's awesome. I like the name Pavel. Just a second here. I want to make sure I do this right. I just lowered the music a little bit. Let me put out the trade on gold. MGC, there you go. So here's a gold trade. Move my stop a little bit, not too much. 702.4 would be my TP. Just looking for about a 1-to-1 trade. Nothing special. And as for NQ, I don't know. Sweeping liquidity down here, that's for sure. Oh man. Let's see if it wants to do that. Putting it to break even, because I just don't like it. Let's see if it wants to break that 700. If not, then you know, it's not gonna be the end of the world. One minute chart. Yeah, when we change to 1 minute, it's much more interesting. Oh, it's gonna take me out. NQ not doing anything. YM is actually looks like it might want to change structure on the 1 minute to go down again. The 5 minute definitely shifted. Hey Alex, good to see you back. Doing great, but terrible price action, so no trade on NQ. I'm just in a very tiny gold short position, but it's on break even, so looks like it's gonna take me out. Break even, but that's it. Nothing else. Nothing else so far. I mean, not my favorite idea to short gold, but you know, when there's nothing else to do. How was your trade so far? I hope you made some profit at least. But I mean, in this chop, it's hard, is what I think. No trades. Yeah. Yeah, when I looked at the first few minutes on NQ, I said no, not again. I'm definitely looking for a reversal. Yeah, so you're right. Looking for a reversal to pop that 735 news candle high. That's what I'm looking for. But other than that, nothing. Other than that, nothing. Still sitting in that gold short. I don't know for how long. But it's like, it's really like watching paint dry currently. But I think NQ might want to shift. Yeah, and the gold trade is going to the dumpster. I think it already went. Almost out at break even. Yeah. Yeah, out at break even on gold. Moving on to the next one. At least it was only break even. Oh man, it's really like watching paint dry. I might actually take a trade on YM. It continues to be like this. All right. Let's look at the bigger picture. What it might want to do. I don't know. I don't know. Getting back into the range, I think it should sweep those highs right now at 700. Should sweep the high right there. Come on. There she goes. Okay, highs swept. And now it might gonna go for the news candle high at 35. Yeah, very hard. Exactly, Alex. I think it's just maybe better to call it a day sooner. For the past week, it's much better to trade after lunch. Yeah, exactly. I was just saying that, Royce. Like, I was rewinding the charts, and it seemed like that much better price action was happening also during the lunch hour and after the lunch hour in the PM session. So seemingly everything was much better there. So yeah. All right, going higher. Confirmed. Malo. 177 times 5. Let's go, man. Congratulations. I don't have a trade, but I think we should be busting through that 735. At least that's what it looks like from here. Bullish breaker, it seems like. So I'm going to be watching this from this perspective. Gold going sideways again. Okay. 3-minute chart pulling back down. Let me put a pip tool here. Okay, 50. Optimal trade entry level will be down below 73 or 72. But I'm afraid if it goes back down there, it could just, fall again. It swept this level. Obviously, it can still just drop. Going higher. No major. I mean, it picked up a small gap here that could be enough to push it to the 35s. But other than that, nothing. Man, it's just not doing anything. It's not doing anything. Hey, bravo. Well, everything is, well, hopefully now it could be moving. But now, I don't know. I mean, it's hard to tell. I was hoping that gold will go down. It goes. But I exited the trade. But with NQ, I'm not sure. I'm just not sure. How's everything on your end? Hope you had some good trades today. This New York session kind of reminds me of London session. Almost just as terrible. Kind of feels like if it goes down below 675, yeah, So right down, delete that, down there. I can actually imagine that this one might continue to reprice some lower areas. If I put a fib tool here, oh, definitely. Yeah. Definitely. Would not be surprised at all. And just like that, gold is actually going for my original target. But I got taken out. Break even. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I don't know if I should trust this push here. No trade yet. Yeah, I'm also waiting. I can't decide if this one wants to push it up there to the 735s or it's gonna waterfall down and continue to reprice yesterday's bull run. I have a feeling that that CPI news are waiting to be repriced. You know. For now, it looks like it's going for the 35. No entry on the 5-minute. Wants to push it. Wants to push the news. $15 more points and it should be there. J-Man, so good to see you back. Good morning. How's the trades going? How's trading? I still haven't had a trade here that I like. I mean, I had one, a break-even gold trade, but that's it. I can't decide what to do here with NQ. Seems like it wants to go for that 735. Oh well. Oh well. Jeff, hey there. Let the pups out to go potty. They're coming covered in snow. Oh yeah. All right, it should be pushing that 35. It was a nice continuation here. Obviously not the best price action. Not yet. You're running long? Let's go. It should be popping that out. The high here is also at 35. I think it's going to push it. It just has to. There's no other way around this, everybody. It just has to go through. You know. Bit of a repricing here. I mean, we're still in the kill zone, and even after 11 a.m., we should be seeing some movement. So maybe not. Okay, now it looks like might want to go lower. There's a level, the 72.50. I'm not sure if it wants to reprice it on the 5-minute. Let's wait this out. Double bottom at 689. Yeah, that's an interesting scenario here. Definitely an interesting scenario. We're below 700 a little bit, actually not that much. So we can say that the 700 is holding. There you go, for another pump maybe. We'll keep an eye out for it. $700 is still holding. Below 700 now. Next fair value gap, which is reasonably a fair value gap, is below the 672, but that doesn't mean anything. Now back to 700. Okay, this should be holding. Yeah. Data high. Come on. I'm just guessing here. Gold made a new low. YM is making new lows. Nothing else is happening here. I don't know. Quite interesting. Okay. Looks like ready for one more push. Maybe this will be it to 35. There was a small minor structure shift here on the 1 minute. Nothing special, but let's see if it wants to break that 35. If it made it this far. if it made it this far. I have a feeling that this could be a bull trap, and now it's just, it's gonna roll over to the downside. That's why I'm a little bit afraid, because everybody wants to go long on this one. So, bit tricky. No idea. Can't make up its mind. The Okay, back to the 20, almost. Okay, up to the 20s. Let's see. No, still not strong enough. Got rejected at the 20. Just can't make it through, it seems like. It's gonna waterfall down, I feel. I'm not going to jump into this. Alright. Maybe gold will shift structure here. Yeah, I think it's gonna go down. It's, yeah. There you go. There you go. It can't make it through. Okay. If that's the case, I'll be looking for some possible. Oh no, look at that. Almost. Almost. And now it's going. Okay. Oh, looks like it's really tough for the market to push it to the news high. Okay. Now it shouldn't be an issue. I think it made, yeah, it made a higher high here. So could go quickly after this. Could go quickly. Okay, 10 more points. I think it's gonna do it. It should be doing it. Okay. Just one spike up there. YM is not doing anything. Euro dollar dropped quite a bit. Yeah, checking the other markets, but I don't see anything. I don't see anything else. Seemingly having a hard time to drop lower. I don't have a position. I'm waiting for the reaction on this 735. If it does something, that would be awesome. I mean, something positive. Look at that. Teasing everybody up there. Just teasing everyone. No idea what it's doing. Stuck at this level. I guess we just have to wait this one out. By far not ideal conditions. Oh man. I'm not gonna jump into this. YM also just going sideways. I feel like we might have to wait for the for this one to hit the 35, and then maybe we get some proper price action. Relative equal lows up there at the 72s. So it could go, I guess. Mm-hmm. Oh man, it's hard. It's watching paint dry, really. It is. It's just watching paint dry. Come on, just go for it and get it over with. Let's go. All right, almost there. Almost at the 35. Except if it wants to create a double top here, which I don't think. I think it wants to take that out. Come on, just one more wick. Just one more wick. And push it through. Come on. There you go. There you go, finally. All right. Oh man, it's like watching paint dry. I don't know what to do here. But at least we have a 5-minute gap down there, so I'll be watching for this. Right there. And see what it does. Gold took some lows. It actually has a nice little fair value gap down there. So who knows, it might want to drop once more down there. Actually, it's not that far. It's at 26.92 to reprice it. Yeah. Maybe one more leg down. I'll be watching for that level. What's that level? Let me check again. The low is 92.1. Okay. 92.1. I'm late for 2 or 3 ticks. How do you mean? On TradingView. Could this be the delay in the stream? 703 and 23. Even though I entered 698 on the 1043 candle, I chickened out at 703 and immediately read it. But did take, yeah, 723. Yeah. Yeah, I had no, I was a chicken actually to enter here, especially after this drop. So I said, okay, if it waterfalls down to that 5-minute gap, I don't think I want to, you know, go long. But eventually it took that, so it happened finally. Finally. But happened without me. Excuse me. Hey, Justin, right. What's going on? Good to see you. Hope you had some good trades today. Because I'm just sitting on the sidelines like a chicken. I had actually better moves right now. I mean, I wasn't the chicken in London. I don't know why I'm a chicken now. But anyway. I'm still bearish on gold. by the way. Got to keep from being myself up about missing out. Oh, the FOMO is the worst. 20 points and not beat myself. Hey, Ludafish, you know the FOMO is the worst, really. You know, I mean, I hate it too. I don't like it either. I'm looking for a possible short entry, but I mean, this one took liquidity there on gold. There's a continuation to that gap down below. Would be nice. Let me see that itch. I was expecting a little bit more from this here, but who knows, maybe NQ will shift and might want to go back to the highs. That's what NQ does, and ES too. They're just going up, you know. Time to short. Rock Bull incoming. Rock Bull, come on. I said Rock Bull, Rock Bull. Oh guys, I'm super tired. I don't know why. I had my coffee. Ryan, it's a little slow. It's a little slow, not gonna lie. How you doing? Ryan, I sent you an email. I hope you got it. But I will have some updates for you as well. So if it goes up, can we see that spaceship, please? Oh yeah, obviously. Just in right. I'm gonna do it. No problem, Ryan. I'm looking at gold still. But it's not doing anything. So far gold is going sideways. I mean, it picked up liquidity earlier on that gap, but you know. Good morning, Crypto Panda. Welcome home. Welcome home. What's happening? I hope you made some profits too. Looking at this NQ action, I was watching gold too to maybe enter a trade. Wicked down. Not sure if it wants to go up more or not. Kishik, hey there. Methodical man. There are boxes everywhere, man. You know, it's just a gigantic box. That's what's happening. And there's nothing we can do about it, man. The whole market is just a box. Hey, Luminary. The whole market is just a huge box, and we cannot do anything about it. And I'm just, you know, sitting on the sidelines trying to figure out which way this is gonna go, and that's so far nothing. I hope you had some good trades there. I took a short on gold. That email from ProfiTrade today made me say welcome home. Oh, don't even say it. I'm still saying that it's a good thing that they sent that email. So I think it's a good thing, and hopefully it will continue as they said. Oh man, what the hell is going here? Oh yeah, my gold short. Where is it? No, not this one. Just a small position. One minute chart. I'm gonna switch to 1 minute. And that's it. Doesn't look good, right? You know, the big picture is like, you know, we repriced this 15-minute fair value gap here, and it might just still go down to this 1 hour BC. So buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency there, and that was the idea behind that trade. Yeah, I hope so too, Crypto Panda. I mean, I really hope that finally the FUD can also stop. What is going on? Okay, for now it seems like that NQ might gonna keep on being bullish, which is good for my gold short. Hopefully it stays that way. Also hit TP4 payout today with Tradeify. Congratulations, Crypto Panda. Nice. The question is how I'm going to oh, don't say like that. You know, what you say, you're gonna, you know, that's gonna be coming true. You're not gonna F it up. It's gonna be just fine. Don't worry. It's gonna be perfectly fine. All right, time to go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Subscribe. Thank you. All right, what happened? What's up with my trade? Why is it not on? What happened? Oh, okay. Don't worry, guys. I knew that this is gonna happen. I knew it. So the gold trade actually turned out to be correct. Nice. Finally. This was an awesome trade. I liked it. I feel like gold wants to take that level out. So it's not over yet. Yeah, MB Trader, as far as I heard, they're good. I'm also doing an evaluation account with them. So, yeah. A little pricey though, yeah, but they're still good. I wish I would have a custom code with them. I mean, I have a link. Buy some accounts. But anyway, they're good. They're okay. So, all is good with them. For 81, buys them no activation fee, and now I made one to pay out. Blew the other one though. Who cares as long as you made it one with a payout? Nice job there. And that's the only thing that matters. So. Alright, look at this. What are we thinking? Is NQ going to continue higher? Maybe to London highs, up to 72, or what's the plan here? Or is it going to roll over and continue for a sell-off? Just curious. Oh man. Feels like it might want to go. Okay. Is this going to turn around to be bullish, or is it going to waterfall down to that gap? Thanks both for the infos. I actually that's the only thing I know. I actually can show you something here about. Whoa, Dave Aurora, thank you for the subscription. Welcome on the channel. Welcome, welcome. Thanks for subscribing. So currently, I have an active account with them. Let me just enter here. I actually don't use TradeAwait, but they have TradeAwait, so I was forced to trade on TradeAwait here. So for now, yeah, here it is. My Tradeify account. Which is at 52,000. It's an evaluation. So I'm actually thinking to maybe put on a trade on this one. And by the way, if anyone wants to pick up a Tradeify account, I don't have a custom code, but I do have a link in the chat and in the description too. And this month coupon code is SNOW. So if you use my link and type SNOW, you can get the best discount. They haven't replied to my custom code request, unfortunately. But I might take a trade on this account. I'm just waiting for... I want to be done with that account finally. Okay, NQ going down slowly. I mean, not slowly. I think it might take the elevator down. Fair value gap is at 672-ish. 71.50. So careful. Honor Simba always doing giveaways like yesterday. 800 worth of credit for 8 users. Wow, that's nice. That is awesome. I tried to contact him multiple times, but he doesn't answer my emails. I guess he's having tons of emails, but I have to DM him. I tried that. I did that. I tagged him, DM'd him, and no answer. I sent him a DM on Twitter. I sent him Discord tag, everything. No answer. I tried everything. Multiple times, by the way. I sent him like 3 Discord messages tagged him, I don't know, like 2 or 3 times in the chat. Then I actually deleted that chat, but I didn't want them to see me as I'm disturbing him. And also on Twitter. Anyway. All right, let's see what's gonna happen here. Is this gonna go through or is this gonna waterfall down? Yep, it's going down into 181.91. 25 points, 26 point ish to reach that pair value gap. Feels like it's going there, but I'm not gonna enter. Until I don't have a confirmation. All right. What's it gonna be? You went for data highs? Yeah, I think everybody was looking for those levels. And currently, if I look at the 5-minute, there is one more level here. I'm not sure if we get down there all the way, but that's 71.50 on micro, and on the mini 71.75. So these are the levels that I see currently. Okay, YM also shifting down a little bit. Oh, you DM me. Let me check. Yeah, I was reading that. I was reading something similar on Discord earlier, but you know, some others told me that I should be getting a custom code because just recently people who has only like, I would just say, much less followers or subscribers than I am, they have received the code. But was this right now? Anyway, but thanks for the info. Apex 100k passed in 2 days. Congratulations. 1 minute ago. All right. Looks like it's going down now. I don't know if it wants to reach that that level. Trying to figure out if this one wants to pick up liquidity from down there or there's just going to be a bounce here. I don't know. It's just hard to say. By the way, congratulations, Little Fish. It's great job there. All right, bouncing up. Question is how far, right? Nice. I just passed this Tradeify account. Look at this.
True justice.
Oh, sorry. I just passed this Tradeify account. Just right now. Look at this. $990 on this short. I was scalping it. And turned out nicely. So, new funded account. New funded account with 40 micros. YOLO'd it. Well, I saw the drop happening, so I thought, why not, you know? But anyway, we have a new funded account with Tradeify. Cool. I'm just gonna close this. Thank you, Crypto Panda. It was my first account, first evaluation account with Tradeify. My first ever. Gold is still going sideways. And this one looks like, I mean, I still think it could reach that 5-minute gap down there. And we have the PM session soon, so we might see some action. Hey, thank you, J-Man. Thank you. Yeah, it was a good one, but I was just watching real closely the chart, and I thought that it should waterfall down. It actually, I was a little bit lucky to close it manually just before because I was suspecting a bounce. But give me a second, I have to check something. All right, we're back. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Yep. This one should be dropping lower. Why is it not moving anywhere? YM shifted lower. YM shifted lower. Okay. Gold. I have a feeling that, you know, gold could still be dropping down to that 1 hour BC down there. Picked up some liquidity here. So I'll be watching. I'll be watching that level. Okay, NQ should be dropping now to that 5-minute gap at 71.50. 71.75 on the mini. I think it's gonna drop now. I think it's gonna drop now. There you go. What was the low here? 71.50. Okay, so it took out the mini. We went into the gap. All right, it's kind of cool. I'm gonna tell you why. I'm gonna show you guys a little secret. If we go back to that CPI release, this here, you see this on the 5-minute? This was the news release yesterday. It's only visible on the micro. I know it's not that big a deal, but you know what? I think it's gonna be closed. Not today, maybe tomorrow or Monday, but I am going to extend it to the right, and you know, that level down there. Boom. That could be interesting to revisit, you know, to reprice the whole CPI thing. Lots of liquidity is down below that level. I'm almost certain that there's a lot of liquidity right there. So gonna be waiting, and if I get a short entry, I might take it. Who knows? YM shifted bearish. Looking at euro dollar is going up. At this point, is what I like to see on NQ is some sort of a grind higher, and then boom, Maybe it's not the perfect drawing here. So some kind of a grind higher here. Why am I doing this to the left? Grind higher and then boom. This is what I'm looking for. If you guys agree with me, don't say anything. But I think this is a possible scenario. I'll be looking at that level. And also on gold, I'll be watching that 1 hour BC down there as the final touch of this drop. Well, maybe not. Maybe not, but I'll be waiting. All right. NQ looking good. And we are in the lunch hour officially. All right. Watching gold. Watching gold. I like to see a drop, to be honest, on gold. I want to see a drop down to that gap at 92. If it's not happening, then everything is going to be all right. So far, that's it. That's the only thing I can imagine happening. And the same scenario for NQ. All right. Watching closely. So far, it's still edging higher. I don't think it would be logical for it to go up there now, especially after this drop. It would be much better to drop some more. And this level, the 624, by the way, is exactly at the 50% retracement level. So that's the only thing that gives me some doubt about this, but just gonna wait. Ryan, momentum is heading short. Yeah, I would think so. I would think so. Still edging higher. Okay, gold seemingly looks like might be ready to go down, but I don't know if I like the way it looks currently. Anyway, I'm gonna be watching both of these levels. What a move on NQ, by the way. What a move. It's just going straight up. No sign of pullback or anything, or changing direction, but that's fine. It could be making a new high. It can actually make a new high. Yeah, Ryan, by the way, that's exactly what I think the market wants. Maybe not today, but sooner or later, I think those CPI levels should be reclaimed. And that's why it's going to be interesting. Gold still edging higher. I'm still waiting for a drop on NQ, which is not happening yet, but I'll be waiting. I'll be waiting. So overall today I made today on 3 funded accounts. I had 3 times $150. I passed a Tradeify evaluation account, and so far that's it. And I started a new Apex evaluation with micros, only with one. Well, I mean, risking $100 and it's up $390, but that doesn't matter. I should be trading the rest of the accounts. Waiting for a short entry here and on gold too. If I see it happening, I'll jump in. Feels like it wants to make a new high. Up to 39. Wow. What a move. What a move. What a move. Is this gonna grind higher? What was the high here? 39. Is it gonna go to the 30s? Without any pullback? That would be crazy. Obviously doesn't need. Whoa, look at this. Is it still pushing? I can't believe that. It's still going higher. Is it? What is going on with this? Can't believe what's happening. Okay, stuck here. I don't know if it wants to push it more. It tried. Could be some positions accumulating. Does the lunch hour wants to make a new high here? Is this really the play? I don't know. Ding. 772 up there, right? New daily high. Yeah, feels like that's the case. So I have no chance for waiting for that elevator down. Because it just wants to push it higher. Crazy market. Crazy market here. But you know what? I agree. I think it wants to push it all the way to 39. We do have a fair value gap here. This one kind of an inversion gap. Not sure if it wants to reprice it. Interesting. I might have to shift my my focus on this one. Gold is also making its way. Okay, here's the pullback. Let's see how far it goes. This is going to react to this inversion here, or I'm gonna go lower. The 1 hour looks interesting. Okay, 15-minute looks like at this very second that, you know, I don't know, maybe it wants to go down. It looks bullish, to be honest. Bullish engulfing candle, I don't know. 5-minute actually looks bearish. Hey, J-Man. I requested a payout from Bulenox on Monday, but they haven't taken the funds from. It's gonna be happening next week. Next week. So whenever you request it during the week, they are going to deduct the balance on next Tuesday after market close or after market hours, and you're going to have the funds being transferred next Wednesday. Jonas, hey. How much percent? Oh, that's hard to answer. Last month I had $5,000 in payouts. In percentage, I don't know. I took 3 Bulenox payouts. No, 1 Bulenox payouts and 2 Apex payouts. So in percentage, there's no real answer because it came from multiple accounts. Yeah, no problem, J-Man. So one thing, J-Man, so there's the new inactivity rule. Now, I'm just saying we might have to be careful with Bulenox about this. They say you have to push the button every 5 trading days, right? So if you requested the funds on Monday, you might have to push the button maybe tomorrow, you know, if you haven't traded on the account since then, just to make sure they're not going to F around. Or you can ask support about this. So don't listen to me, just ask support. That's what I did last time because I didn't want it to be caught up by inactivity. But, you know, seemingly they are, you know, trying to force the rules. I'm just saying, just for caution. 5K, yeah. It's just, you know, unfortunately, Jonas, it's not constantly profitable. And those accounts are now blown. So those accounts that I took the payouts from, those are blown now. So, and I don't want to jinx it, but I don't think I will be able to make payouts in December because basically I had to start from scratch. Yeah, ask them about that just to make sure. And worst case scenario, try to make a small trade with micros maybe tomorrow, you know, just to make sure. And then you should be okay, in my opinion. At least that's what I think. but I feel like they might gonna have a very short answer to, like, you have to trade according to the master account agreement, which says one trade every 5 days at least. So you might have to put on a trade. So Monday, yeah, Friday is good, and you don't have to push the account only on Wednesday at the first, or Thursday. So should be fine. Okay. Honestly, I'm still thinking to might gonna take a short 707, 726. I don't know. Gonna be waiting for price to decide what it wants to do. It hit this inversion gap now. If it's just trades through it, like there's no tomorrow, I think it could continue the sell-off. Oh, come on. Gold is happening too. Seemingly. What is happening on gold? Back to NQ. Took a short on gold. Took a short on gold. All dropping. Okay, let's see. CL also. Oh yeah, everything. It could be just a pullback, you know. I'm not sure. Steam, hey there. Went full tilt. Oh. Yeah, luckily, yeah. No, don't copy trade at least, yeah. At least you didn't copy trade. I took a very small trade on gold here. I'm gonna actually show you guys. Here it is. And the idea behind this is quite simple. I'm gonna show you. The idea behind the gold trade is to drop lower into that 1 hour busy down there. After repricing this level, you know, one more leg down to that busy. That's all. Nothing else. That's the only idea. That's why only a small position. If it's not gonna go down, great, no problem. Actually, it might not go down. I might have to close it. manually. Okay, YM is acting bearish. How is YM doing? Not that I trade YM, but okay, there's a swing low down there. Good drop, I guess. Not looking good. NQ edging higher. The gold trade is also edging higher. Yeah, CryptoPanda. So, MyFundedFutures disabled every discount for every code. Everybody's code, every YouTuber or influencer's code is not working. The only discount that it gives if you, I mean, it gives you 5% if you pay with ACH wire. That's it, through play.com, I think. So that's the only discount, or yeah, I think that's the only one. It is what it is, unfortunately. They are pushing everybody to pay with ACH wire. And that's it. But still, if you type in my code, it gives me a little bit of credit. But there was a discount last month for the milestone accounts, but that sale is over now, currently. So yeah, it is what it is. Okay, so this gold trade is going to the dumpster. Dumpster fire. What a bummer. I thought that it's going to go down. It's not going. Okay, look at NQ. NQ seemingly looks like might want to go down. All right. All right. Is this gonna continue? Okay. Took a short. The gold trade is done officially. I took a short on NQ. Maybe it wasn't the best choice, I know. Thank you, Jonas. Thank you. Let me show you the. Actually, I mean, yeah, the gold trade went south. One thing I might be looking for on this trade, though, and I might going to change some stuff. 76.50. Okay. 76.50. Okay. How far can it go? How far? I guess all the way down, right? So I'm gonna put one down to 55 to I'll make it 56. 27. All right. I'm just gonna try to take partials on this and maybe let it run if it wants to go lower based on this CPI news. And because we want to ride a sell-off. Unfortunate about the gold trade though, but there's nothing I can do. Okay, so that level is at 70. The 76.50 should be taken out. Yeah. Now that I'm out, gold is gonna just take the elevator as well. Not sure though, but yeah. Oh, come on, NQ. Don't do this. Don't do this, NQ. Come on. Come on, it should be going down now. YM is going nicely down. Big dump coming. I don't know. Maybe after the lunch hour, so it's gonna be 1 p.m. soon. Maybe we'll see something there. I mean, I don't mind if it goes down, obviously. What is up with this market? Taking longs now because of the third hit on trend line from bottom. Oh, I see. Well, what can I say? I can only say that good luck with it for you two, and you know, seemingly the lunch hour holds some surprises still. The higher time frames. For example, the 1 hour to me shows that there's still a lot of space down there. The 15-minute shows that it picked up the news candle. It's ready to go down now, and this is exactly the 50% level, so that's quite a significant level at 625. So if I put the fib tool here, you see, right at 50%. And that's why this is a significant level. And I think the market may want to see it broken and go down. Obviously, it might not going to go down today, but maybe tomorrow or Monday. And I'm a little bit disappointed in gold. I really wanted it to go, but you know, the world is not perfect. All right. Okay. All right. Let's pick this up. Come on. Okay, still sideways. I don't like this move. You know what? I'll be right back. And I'm gonna keep the stream open. I'm gonna look for something. I have to look for something in the garage. And I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Please subscribe and push the like. Thank you. Oh, look at that. It's just gonna go higher. What a day. What a day. Oh, touche. Too shame. Such a shame. I think I'm gonna close it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm closing it. Darn it, darn it. I thought that this is really gonna turn out now in a good way, but it didn't. And gold is still going up. Again, I put the wrong idea in place. I thought that we're gonna drop, and seemingly this one just wants to make a new high at 40, I think. Squeeze those shorts. It is what it is. I want to go up to the 35s again. Not sure. It's not far actually. Let's see what it will do here. We have the new hour in 3 minutes. So might see a push, or it's just gonna roll over and dump. I'm really not sure at this point. But you know, making new highs up there, new daily high. We have relative equal high, yeah, highs at 7. What is that level? 772 ish. So yeah. The plan didn't go through. I was really hoping that this will work. You went long? I'm trying to figure out what could have been the problem I made here. I think I know by now. What was the problem? Look at this. Just edging higher. How's ES looking? You went long? Yeah, I think ES also wants to break those highs at 85. So I guess the US 500 should go to relative equal highs up there. Yeah. Kind of a sideways movement. NQ next stop is 750. What was that? That was London High was there. Huh. Who knows? Planning a big trade tonight? No way. No big trades. No. I made like a few $100s on funded accounts. I'm okay. And passed a Tradeify account. I'm sitting here, you know. I'm doing overtime. You were in on the top. You guys traded YM, nice. Let's go. Yeah, yeah. I should have traded YM too. Should have, would have, could have, but too late for now. Provided some nice entries. I did like those. And I just didn't take it. I don't know why I was watching YM. There was a short opportunity that I was watching around 44, 146 on YM. I just still don't know why I didn't take it. I should have, but I didn't. Anyway. Yeah, this was very slow. 747, please, so I can pass my 50k. Let's go, Crypto Panda. Oh, thank you, Crypto Panda. Thank you so much for the support. Thank you. Maybe there's a discount, by the way, on the Starter Plus accounts, but I'm not sure. Just busy today, sort of quickie. Oh yeah. On YM, so the trade I was looking at was from here. Just a second. This is what I was eyeballing with a 1-to-1 risk to reward, so nothing special to take out that low actually. And I didn't take that trade. So as you can see here, this gap on the 5-minute perfectly repriced, and the bearish 5-minute candle traded below to that gap. So this is the one I didn't take. I wanted to take it at least for a 1-to-1, at least. Could have been good maybe for a 1-to-2. Almost, but a 1-to-1, my target would have been here at 44.96. Shoulda, woulda, coulda, it's too late now. But why I didn't take the YM trade? Why? Why? But yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it did that. It did that. That's true. That's true. Anyway, too late for that. Overall, I'm glad that I made some profits. This account, that was an evaluation. 147 on this, 151 on this, 150 on this. So that's okay. Past the Tradeify account, and I did go down for the daily loss limit on a MyFundedFutures account. So, but anyway, that account was already down in drawdown, but that happened earlier. So money is money. Yeah. Just small size, yeah. Small size. That's true. That's true. I was trying to save a MyFundedFutures account earlier throughout the day, but it was almost bleeding out completely. I couldn't make it. So I'm gonna work on some new MyFundedFutures accounts too, and I have to work on my Take Profit Trader account finally to get that done. I made $70 each on my Bulenox account, so those are up almost $700. Overall, not that bad actually. One Apex account is above $1,000. It's very slow right now for me in December. Most of the accounts are only in a few $100s of profit. Very, very slow grind. Scalped it. Nice. I'm still eyeballing with gold. I don't know why. I don't know if anything is gonna happen during the PM session. But as for NQ, NQ betrayed me. Well, it wasn't that bad actually. Down the flush. The slow, yeah. Remember, this is accumulation way to get some. Yeah. Most important is you are on plus. Yeah, nada. As I said, one account which was already in huge drawdown went down to the daily loss limit again. So that MyFundedFutures account is basically left with like $200 of space to go. So that's basically in the dumpster already. But these other ones, I'm building them very slowly. So if I make $100 or $200 each, then I just stop for the day. And you know, this year so far that strategy worked out for me. Slow steps, and that's it. As you can see, this is different approach from a year ago. Yeah. Exactly. All right. I do have a FOMO about that YM trade. It was so perfect. I liked it. So I was actually talking about it after the open during the silver bullet hour. I said like, oh, I should take this YM trade. I should short this, and I missed it. I usually never trade YM, but that was looking so good. And the worst is risking to think that you earn something and it is the other way around. Yeah, I agree, Jacques. I agree. Not yelling about losses. Oh yeah, I mean, I did that actually. Not nowadays, but but like I would say last year in 2023, I had those kind of emotional breakdowns when I was sort of like yelling like damn it, and I was cursing and swearing like why. And now if I take the loss, okay, let's move on, learn from it. Exactly, Jacques. I agree 100%. 100% agree. You have to experience it. But, you know, This is the business that we are doing. This is part of the business. Yeah. Bad energy. Calm down because it sucks. Exactly. And have to accept the fact that it's part of trading. So what's happening, by the way, on YM right now? Just out of curiosity, what's it doing? What's the play here? Can it continue lower? Can it still go down? I feel like it still can. Like in this instance here. Okay, NQ seemingly going higher. What's happening here? No. I'm not gonna trade YM. I'm not trading YM. I was just eyeballing it. It's too many for right now. NQ and gold is too much for me as well. So I'm not going to force YM as a third wheel. It's too much for me as it is. It was just interesting how precisely I was watching those levels, and I'm not gonna trade YM. No. Okay, NQ edging higher. So right now we're officially in the PM session. Wonder if there's gonna be any surprise here. If you can read that book about Livermore, you will have a bit of an adjustments from his side in 1900. Oh, okay. I'm gonna check on it. It's time to say goodbye because I'm exhausted. Okay, thank you for being here, Jack. Thank you so much. I was just reading the chat back up there. Thank you. Yeah, I know why I'm is the same. Yeah, Pine Tree Trader, what's up? Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. I'm doing some overtime here, but nothing special. Today we got internet and gurus in the past traders. see you, Jack. Thanks for dropping in. So the good old PM session, that's what we're doing here. Looks like it wants to go higher. No way, I'm not full porting this. Relative equal highs are up there. That's the thing. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna take the profit. I'm not gonna give anything back. So it's just not moving enough the way I would like it to go, and gold is just edging higher. No setup for me here. So this is it for now. Thank you so much for watching. No all in here. Thank you so much, guys, for being here, and I'll be back tomorrow in London. And as always, if you would like to support, please use my links and codes. So far, this is it. Overall in the green. Thank you so much. And God bless you all. See you guys tomorrow. All right. Cheers, everybody.